everyone, welcome to a very brand new episode of Vibrant Royce. This side Debolina. Usually I do come with the videos most of the days, and every time I do promise one of my family member will join with me, but it doesn't happen. They're busy with work from home or other activities. So I try to make videos whenever I get time. It's a long time I did not make any video. I had some work. Sometimes I was feeling lazy, and sometimes I was thinking what kind of video I should make right now, because as we always say, Vibrant Royce is all about lifestyle vlogging. It's not about only food vlogging or travel vlogging or everyday lifestyle vlogging. It's all about how we are living our day. We'll share everything. It's all about sharing how we are living our everyday, how we are as we are assuming third wave of COVID is going to hit the country, so we are a bit worried about that. Vaccination is going on, so our life has changed many ways. So these days many people are using digital platform to keep us positive, to keep us motivated. So we are also trying to do that. And when I was thinking what to do after a long gap, should I cook something, should I read some storybooks, so that time my mom got a call from a karigar. He's a sari maker from Bishnupur. They're into Baluchuri sari making, and as we know, Bishnupur is very famous for Baluchuri sari, and it's our treasure. It's our Bengali saris are like it's very incredible. It's in terms of style, in terms of texture. Either we talk about Jamdani sari, either we talk about Dhakai, either we talk about Baluchuri, either we talk about Tatel sari, whatever it is, our sari is worldwide popular, and we are very proud of that. So today I am wearing a very bright, very colorful, it's a orange and green sari. It's a Tasar silk, Tasar, and the thread work is very detailed, and chiffon thread work, and a detailed work is there. And as we all know, Baluchuri saris, unique thing is its pallu, achol. This one is very unique, and as you all know, in every Baluchuri sari there is a mythological stories or historical stories depicted in the pallu. So that's why these saris are historically also very significant. So even this sari, I can see lots of artistic designs from, maybe I'm not sure, maybe in the pallu any historical story has been depicted. So this is the most unique part of the Baluchuri sari, and I'd like to share few facts about the Baluchuri sari, how this sari the karigar started weaving these saris. These are purely our own creation, and this sari actually first started in our neighbor country Bangladesh, Dhaka, and one of the Nawab, Mushik Kuli Khan, he liked this weaving style, and he decided to take this style into our Bengal, and we started making Baluchuri sari in Birbhum initially, for 200 years in a small village named Baluchor, and from there this name, the Baluchuri sari, came. And after that there was a flood in Ganges, so the industry moved to Bishnupur, Bakura, and from then onwards they continued the Baluchari sari industry there. So usually when we talk about Baluchari sari, there is a Tasar silk usually they use to make the sari. I will show you the pallu in detail. I will try to show you. So this is the pallu. Usually mostly you can see this sari is very bright in color. It's orange and green combination, and lots of works of detailing, artistic works are there. So you can wear this sari in formal occasion, even in informal occasion, and these saris are so gorgeous. So you can wear even without any accessory. Like I am not wearing any accessories, I am not feeling that I am not looking gorgeous. The sari itself so gorgeous and so comfy. I am not even feeling that I am wearing a heavy sari with heavy work. It's so comfy. So that's something I shared with you about Baluchari sari, and along with that I would like to share few information. One of the karigars, as we know, due to this lockdown, the textile industry is facing also financial crisis. Many workers are not getting work, so we can stand by them. One of this sari, oh by the way, I need to share this one. This sari is 30 years old. My mom bought it from that guy who is into this sari making industry in Bishnupur. And this sari is, when she bought this sari, I was very I was a kid. I'm not sure how this sari was that time, but today when I wear this sari, I was wearing this sari, I felt I'm wearing a new sari. So it has the same feel of a new sari, but it's a 30 years old sari. So definitely this sari has that kind of quality. So today or few days back, the guy called and he told he will send few Baluchari saris to us. If anyone of you would like to buy those saris, I will definitely share in my bio details of those saris, and I'll try to show all of those saris he will be sending to us. And if you like to buy those saris, you can DM us in Instagram, and you can also write down in our YouTube Vibrant Royce channel. There you will get our official email ID, and apart from that our social network profile as well. Usually I try to put all the social network we are in, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever we are. We'll try to share our IDs that you can contact with us. And this is a special request from our side that we can stand by few people. If you think that we can help to some extent, we cannot stand by everyone, but if we can stand by one person each, if I can stand by 2 person, if you can stand by 1 person, if some other person is standing by one person, we can help many. So it's my request, we can create a platform where we can share this kind of problem of people, and we can extend our helping hands to them how much we can. So it's a kind request. If you'd like to know about that guy and what kind of saris he has, or his family, they are into this business, I can show the saris he is going to send us. I'll definitely share those pictures, or I'll do few small videos to show you how those saris look like. So you can DM us. I will send you all the details about the sari, and you can order. So for today, that's all. and all, please do take care of yourself, as we are just assuming that third wave is knocking, so we have to take care of ourselves. And apart from that, I'll request you, please do follow our vlog, Vibrant Royce. Yes, we are not that frequent these days, but we try to be frequent from now onwards, and every day from now onwards I will come with a Balichuri sari. I will try to make a series of Balichuri sari, that we can stand by those karigars, those sari workers. There are many people who are into this business. They can also collaborate with us, and we can work together. Working together, sharing is caring, so we can do create a platform for each other. So why not through this virtual platform? It's many of you are already trying to do this, so I also would like to extend my hand to in this. So this is a small kind request to all, and very tiny initiative from our end. Let's see how we can stand by few, and till then, stay connected, stay positive, stay motivated, and whenever you go outside, please do wear mask and take care of yourself, and definitely will come out from this situation very soon, and will be back to a normal life once again. Stay happy, take care from Vibrant Royce family. Love you, and it is around 10:30 night, so good night to all. I will make another video, and I'll come shortly, and I'll share another saris history facts with you guys. And it's always very fascinating to share some information with each and everyone. So if you would like to share any information with me about Balichuri sari, please do that. We'll share that with our viewers. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you all. See you soon.